Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the new Xiaomi Redmi Airdots 2 wireless Bluetooth headset. If you are in the market for a reliable and high-quality pair of earbuds, then look no further. The Redmi Airdots 2 offer a seamless wireless experience with crystal clear sound and a comfortable fit. These earbuds are perfect for anyone on the go, whether you are hitting the gym, going for a run, or just relaxing at home. With a built-in microphone, you can easily take calls on the go without skipping a beat. The Bluetooth connectivity ensures a stable connection with your device, so you can enjoy your favorite music or podcasts without any interruptions. The Redmi Airdots 2 are also incredibly affordable, making them a great value for the quality you're getting. When it comes to battery life, these earbuds pack a punch, offering up to 12 hours of playback on a single charge. And with the sleek and compact design, you can easily take them with you wherever you go. If you're ready to upgrade your listening experience, then look no further than the Xiaomi Redmi Airdots 2 wireless Bluetooth headset. Click the link in the description to get your hands on a pair today and elevate your audio game. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience true wireless freedom and exceptional sound quality. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.